Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome to the series of Stay Positive, Test Negative. Last few days, we had a lot of patients, or I would say people who have tested negative after being positive, and they have come out of the corona war with corona. I would say they have been quarantined. They have shared their feelings as to how and what all they have done, what they have felt when they were in quarantine and things like that. So uh, this week we are having a doctor on board. So we have Dr. Vineet Rao. He's from Jupiter Hospital, Pune. He is an MD, DNB Internal Medicine. So Dr. Vineet Rao is one of the trusted names in internal medicine in Pune, and he's a well-known doctor with over 20 years of experience. He has helped to transform the lives of countless patients with unparalleled care and guidance. He has also served as a diabetes editor at IDF. So, a phenomenal person, a phenomenal doctor. You ask him the question and he has the answer. So, he is with us today. He's going to share with us what all we need to do, what all we need to not do. There are a lot of myths going around. If you see today, we open the TV, we look at our WhatsApp. Every second minute we see a forward coming in. So we don't know what's true and what's false. So that's why we said it's time to get a doctor on board, and let's go ahead and ask the doctor as to what are the true things, that what are the things to be done, not to be done, and things like that. So I would like to welcome Dr. Rao. Let me just get him on board. 1 second. Doctor, I've just accepted your request to come on live. Hello, Dr. Vineet Rao. How are you doing?
Hello, good evening.
Welcome, sir. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation to join this session. So this session today, as we discussed, is going to be on the myths of COVID-19, and the problems that people are facing. You being a doctor, you have come across innumerable patients and the queries, the questions that they come up with. At times you feel that that like the simple question like how can they be asking such a thing? So yes, it is difficult times that we all are going through. So let's begin by first of all asking you, there are lots of myths and lots of things that are being forwarded by people on WhatsApp or different social media platforms, and people are believing it. So the very first question that comes to my mind is that the very thing right now which is going on is about masks. So that is a mask important to wear? Should I wear it? Should I not wear it? How should I wear it? If I'm in quarantine and if my wife is already COVID positive and I'm COVID negative, or if I'm also COVID positive, do I need to also wear a mask? So if you can just guide us on that, please.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the invitation. And of course, everybody in the
Doctor, I'm not able to hear you so loud.
okay, everybody in this present scenario, should be taking utmost precautions presently. Now, the first question which we asked is mask. So basically, three main preventive things would be wearing a mask, sanitizing yourself, and of course, maintaining social distance. Now, wearing a mask, is it compulsory? Yes, it is compulsory. You need a good mask to be there. You can wear a three-layered mask. It should, in case you can get a N95 mask with you, it should be on. You need to wear it properly. You need to wear to the top. You need to buckle up your nose and then put a small string onto your back. The second thing, the nose should be clipped properly. Otherwise, the aeration gets different, the air leaks out, and you may get infected. Second point is the mask is N95. You can use these type of masks. Always your nose should be covered, 3/4, and your jawline should be covered. Don't keep your mask here while you're talking to other people. Don't take it down for whatever fraction of a second. When you wear a mask, don't keep touching your nose. Don't keep fiddling around with it, because your hand itself would be dirty. You would have touched a few things and they are unhealthy. Second, don't wear your mask down. Don't wear it down like this. It should be worn on your nose all the time. Now, according to the rules of the Supreme Court and the guidelines from the Supreme Court, you need to wear your mask even at home. Since the instructions were given regarding the coronavirus is airborne, so you need to wear mask all the time, round the clock. Especially when you're going out, it could be for a momentary time. You're just going down your lift, kachra phek ke aata hu, or XYZ things. You should always be wearing your mask. Second thing is, whenever anybody is positive or home quarantine, the one who is positive patient should always be wearing the mask. Second thing, if I am positive and my relative at home is negative, you should be wearing the mask, the one who is positive. Other people within the house should also be using the mask. Positive or negative, you should be using the mask. Positive, you should always keep the mask on. Suppose at home there is a husband, wife, and a kid at home, and kids don't get checked, or we don't check their RT-PCR, so kids do get suffocated. They are going to be not too hygienic regarding the mask. So the parents' responsibility for both of them to use the mask so that the kid is less susceptible. So mask would be a compulsory thing. In case you are using disposable masks, you need to wash it. Disposable mask needs to be disposed. You can have washable mask. You need to wash it every day. If possible, you can use it every 8 hours.
So this is the disposable.
Yes, a disposable mask.
So how many times can we use the doctor? Once, twice?
Yeah, ideally this type of mask is a triple layer mask. It should be used for not more than 8 hours.
Oh.
You need to just chuck it away, because it does get moist inside. It gets a little leaky, and then you are throwing your own secretions. In case you are yourself infected, you'll be breathing the same air. So you need to chuck it out every 8 hours. Because even that, suppose I am positive and I'm using a disposable mask. But another thing about the disposing thing is, you need to dispose the mask the proper way. People put it on the door handle. People use it on the bathroom handle, and they're putting it on the table and things. And then somebody else uses your mask, yours only. You cannot share your mask.
Right.
The mask should be, of course, used compulsory. Disposable mask every 8 hours. Washable mask preferably twice a day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. That's good to know. Thank you. Because I agree with you that, there are a lot of people using the mask, and this is, I think, the mostly used mask, and the N95. They put on the door knobs, and you'll find at least around 10, 20 of these hanging over there. I don't know for what. They many use kiya tha, showpiece. Yeah. And also I see, now it's a new fashion or a style statement for ladies especially. So I'm wearing a checkered shirt, so I should have a checkered mask with me. Or I'm having a yellow colored shirt, so I should have a yellow colored mask. So we men, we don't have that fashion, but for ladies, embroidery, and you name it. So, are these the right
Designer
masks?
mask. Those are
I'm sorry,
designer
sir.
masks.
Design,
Those are designer
absolutely.
masks.
There you go. So, what is the use of wearing it when it's of no use?
Absolutely. And
Yep.
in
So,
case using a mask, it should be used the proper way and the proper mask.
true,
Because naam, it's not that naam ke vaste dala hua hai, time pass. No, we are dealing with serious infection. So you need to be a little serious when you're using the proper mask.
true.
Yeah.
Right. So, appreciate that because, like you said, you can't use this for more than 8 hours. I would say if I don't wear this for 8 hours because I may just go down, do some shopping, come back. I keep it inside and then use it the next day. But I think after listening to you, I think it's going to go out in every time I remove one, it's going to get cut and I'm going to dispose it off.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And you need to dispose it the right way. You need to just cut it off, cut the strings, by somebody else pops it up and uses it.
Yes, and that's one thing important because I've seen a lot of people, they just take the mask and they just put it as it is. You never know, it can be recycled.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
that's another risk. Great. Good to know about that. So coming to another part is home remedies.
Yes.
Home remedy is one thing which, key, when first is to not get COVID, home remedies, kada pio, ye karo, wo karo, and all those stuff. So are they actually helpful? And the second is when a person is suffering from COVID during quarantine at home, do's and don'ts about home remedies.
Yes. So look, Indian culture is basically home remedy. So whatever थोड़ा छोटा मोटा सर्दी खांसी होता है, पेट दर्द होता है, we always go and use some home remedies, use some kadas and all. But
Right.
these things are different. Now with the COVID era around, it is of course a chota sardi khansi only. But for that sardi khansi, initially it starts off with a runny nose, a small cold. So you for the initial 2 days, you can do whatever at home. You can use kada, which is available in Maharashtra. They use a lot of gauti cha, adrak, kali miri, tulas, lavang, and dalchini. So these are homemade remedies which can be used. We do use turmeric with milk. So these are functions which can be used initial 2 days. But these do help, of course. They basically turmeric, curcumin is basically a natural sensitizer, and of course it coats your throat properly, and it's basically antibacterial itself. First. Second, you can always keep on gargling yourself. Gargle with a little bit of salt water. Very,
Okay.
very simple things. You can use lukewarm water
Hmm.
to drink. So these things are homemade remedies which have been going through the ages. And we can use this for the initial 2 days. 2 days, things don't come down. You need to go and meet your doctor.
Hmm.
Once you go and meet your doctor, the thing is just stick on to him. What we in India do is मी मैं घर का उपाय 2 दिन करता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं डॉक्टर के पास जाता हूँ. I go to a specific doctor, and what they do is the doctor gives you a specific prescribed medicine for the 3 days. Suppose it does not clear up or you don't improve, what we have a tendency is switch the doctor. Now, what
Right.
the other doctor does is he gives you a stronger antibiotic,
Right.
and then you take that for 3 days. So what happens? You've lost 2 days at home, 3 days with the antibiotic, which becomes 5 days, and another 3 days. You're already 8 days late. So my therapy or thing would be 2 days at home, whatever you can. Second day, irrespective, it doesn't come down, go to your doctor, take the antibiotic. It doesn't help. Fifth day, you need to get your test done. And he's the best person. Suppose in 3 days, 5 days time, the running nose, cold, sore throat doesn't stop, the fever doesn't go. In this era, at present, It's COVID, COVID, COVID until proved otherwise. So, fifth day, things don't stop. Go to the same doctor. He will prescribe you a few change of medications, a few blood tests, and RT-PCR. You need to get it done in this present era. So 5 days would be the maximum delay, but 5 days is the time when you really need to do something.
Okay, great, great, great. So another bottom line I would say is that trust your doctor. Trust. Don't keep swapping doctors. Don't keep changing doctors. कि हाँ, मेरे को ये डॉक्टर से कुछ फायदा नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ असर नहीं हो रहा है. Let's go to another doctor.
Yes.
So that's I think that's another. Sorry.
And at this point of time, I think the doctors are all busy. So catch the doctor who is already there with you. If you keep switching, you'll be waiting. And India में that Saturday Sunday फंडा. Saturday शाम को हुआ तो Sunday तक डॉक्टर नहीं मिला, Monday 1.5 दिन उधर ही निकल गए. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday was the maximum you can do for home kada, home remedies and all. Monday, go and visit it.
Correct. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. No, I agree with you. So that's a very important thing that people need to understand that the doctor is there he's a kind of your guiding star. He's the person who's going to help you come out of it. Another question which has just come out right now: how critical is timing? That's from Kulpreet.
Absolutely. So the timing would be important. As I told you, any runny nose, cold, fever, now with the rain, unseasonal rains around, and then people do come. Look, it's a common thing which I'm going to give an example. Now you get a sore throat. You can go get sore throat or a runny nose because of 100 of reasons. It's too hot in the north. You put in an AC. You put in a cooler. You drink cold water. You drink juice. You drink lemon water. You drink orange juice. You drink watermelon. जामुन खा लिया गला बैठ गया नींबू पानी पी लिया गला बैठ गया नाउ पीपल आर कमिंग विद लॉट ऑफ विटामिन सी चूसने के बाद वो भी गोली से खराश आती है गला बैठ गया सर सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रीजंस व्हाई यू कैन हैव बट यू नीड टू एलिमिनेट ऑल दिस नाउ यू ईट एन आइसक्रीम एंड कम टू अ डॉक्टर सर मुझे कोविड हुआ है क्या nobody can really tell you whether it's covid or ice cream. So the best thing would be 2 days of whatever you can. Gargle yourself, have lukewarm water, have green tea, have soups with a little bit of ginger crust in it, have kada. 2 days, it doesn't come down. The third day, you need to go and meet your doctor. He'll have you examined, and now everybody's got gadgets at home.
Yes.
You've got a temperature probe at home. You've got a pulse ox with you at home. You've got a BP apparatus with you at home. You've got a glucometer with you at home. So all 90% facilities are available. And another thing is in the society, XYZ society, there would be some doctor, some nurse around who
Yes.
is ready to always help. Always go and help. Always go and ask. Don't be sitting back. You don't Saturday, Sunday, you don't go. Just go bang the door. ऐसा है and just try to get help. They are the best ones, at least for the next 2 days or whatever time. You can always use Crocin. So people are asking us, sir, बुखार आया, Crocin लूं क्या? पहले कोविड के पहले Crocin used to pop up left, right, center.
Absolutely.
Now the basic thing, if you're getting fever, get it calmed down, do sponging, get your temperature down by using Crocin, Dolo, Calpol. So these are preventive and basic things.
True.
This needs to be done. Third day, you need to go and meet your doctor. 2 days, the things don't get better. You need to go back to the same doctor and get your RT-PCR done by the starting 5th day. Because that's where the catch is. You do it first day, sore throat, you get your RT-PCR, it's always going to come negative.
Right.
Second day, body needs to start reacting and start getting some antigens, some antibodies around. So
True.
ideally, 5th day would be the best time to get it checked Go ask a doctor and don't run into investigations. The investigations are there just to guide you. These type of blood investigation should be done only on request by the doctor, and people do come with a lot of reports. Then you don't get your RT-PCR, people are coming with CT scans with us
Hmm.
directly. So
Okay.
don't unnecessarily load up yourself. Don't panic. Just be cool. First thing would be just taking crocin, sponging, do basic things at home. Third day, visit the doctor. Fifth day, it doesn't come down. You need to get your RT-PCR done.
Great, great, great. So we have quite a few of our people who have joined us this session. So it's good to have all of you. So just would like to brief all. We have Dr. Rao here. So we are talking about myths and facts about uh, people during COVID. So during quarantine, what happens and what are the questions that are being asked to doctors today? Precautions to be taken, like for example, the right way to wear a mask. So the one very important thing in these last 15 20 minutes is that Dr. Rao says one thing don't do is don't change your doctor. Very important. Trust your doctors, because that's one thing which you need to know and remember, is that your doctor is there to help you. It takes time for anything to be cured. So 2 दिन में अगर हल नहीं निकला doesn't mean कि doctor उसको change कर दो. You know, नहीं, we'll go for second opinion, third opinion. If you go to another doctor, the doctor is going to ask you to do the same test again, or he's going to start from scratch again. So you wasted those 2 or 3 days, which doctor number one already has taken and has started your medication and has already got your level down, maybe, or he knows your case that, okay, I have done this now. I know I need to go to level 2, and he knows that this takes time. And for example, like he knows, okay, there is fever going to come after a few days. So that's so. Coming to a few myths, it's like in China, they said that they started having tea in China. So they said if you have tea, uh, you will not catch the coronavirus. So how far is it true?
Look, now the basic thing would be anybody who has a sore throat or you have a small viral infection. It starts with a runny nose, you have a sore throat, and then you start having fever. So any sore throat feels better by using warm water. It's a
Right,
general thing.
right.
So in olden days in India, you used to use haldi doodh. गला खराश बैठा है, haldi doodh पियो. And then it got modified to some kada, something like in India which they use gauticha, adrak, kali miri, tulas, and lavang.
Hmm.
There's a mixture which is used in our tea also. In Maharashtra, it is quite famous.
Yes.
These things are usually used during uh, the evening time, 6 o'clock. So it does soothe your throat. So it's basically the feeling of well-being. Sore throat gets all right, but it's not going to cure your illness because it'll stop. It'll give you symptomatic relief. But is it a cure? No,
No.
not yet. Otherwise, everyone would have been drinking green tea. The tea sales would have gone up huge.
That's true. We are talking about tea. So there's another myth that if you have alcohol, that is also, so people who have alcohol, they are not going to catch corona. So what would you like to tell these people who talk about this?
I just had a Facebook post yesterday.
Uh-huh.
The irony in India is basically everybody wants alcohol at any cost, medicines at discounted rate, and vaccines for free.
True.
So look here, it's basically looking into the alcohol, spirit, sanitizers. They can wash off your hands. If हाथ में alcohol लगाया, alcohol पिए क्यों नहीं? So it's basically a myth. So in case everybody or corona used to get all right by drinking alcohol, everybody would have been drunkards, and the vineyards would have been more luxurious now.
Absolutely. There's also another myth that, the older people or the generation of the 60 plus age factor, uh, they are more vulnerable to the virus, and the younger are not. So, is there a study, or is it true? How far?
अभी it's something like सर्दी खांसी किसी को भी पकड़ सकता है. So सर्दी खांसी is basically something like a rhinovirus.
Yes.
This is something like a coronavirus. So sardi khasi can happen to anyone. So be it 0 to 100, it can catch anyone. Even younger kids can have, even older people can have. The only thing why the problem would be of older age is as you get older, your resistance starts going down, and then you have a lot of comorbidities like
Yes.
hypertension, sugar, you have thyroid issues, then you have some cancers, you've got operated for some time, you would be on medications for some reason, you have arthritis, you've got medicines, you will be on steroids, you've got undergone malignancy treatment. So these are things which are make people susceptible, and
Yes.
these are the guys which are prone. That is why initially when it started, that's why they were trying to save out old age homes. Older people should not come out because these are the susceptible guys. Their immunity is not right, and that's why if you see the vaccination started because of this. The vaccination was given initially in the UK, US to people at old age homes, and then it started in a senior bracket. Then they reduced the age to 45 and above,
Yes.
and then when we were giving 45 plus, that's the time when the regulations came in. You had 20 uh, points when
Yes.
comorbidities were there, and
True.
then now they opened it up to 18 plus. So that's how they're phasing it out. But India being such a huge country, so you got to be having patience and just wait out. But yes, the older generation is always susceptible. The younger generation is also susceptible. But of course, younger age below the age of 10, they have been vaccinated with a lot of vaccines like MMR, BCG, and they are getting booster shots. So these are things which are unknown, but they are protective, just as in between BCG vaccination was protective. So till the age of 10, you are being vaccinated for XYZ things. So these guys are less prone for infection.
Okay. Great. Another thing which is the which is was the talk of the town is home quarantine. So home quarantine is one thing that it's a family of two or three, God forbid, who have got COVID-19, and in a society or in a place where they're living, they are first of all termed as untouchables. कि फ्लैट नंबर ये में कोविड हो गया, उधर जाना ही नहीं है, वो फ्लोर पे भी नहीं जाना है. It's become that bad, and that's one thing that the outside world is disconnecting them and kind of treating them as untouchables. That's one part. And the second part is that when you're inside in quarantine, what are the do's and don'ts? Because if there are three people who are already positive inside, do they need to wear a mask even if they're positive, or not required? Because they think that all three of us are positive. क्या फर्क पड़ता है एक दिन पहले और एक दिन बाद में? तो सब तीन पॉजिटिव तो मास्क क्यों पहने? you know is there social distancing required? So what about that?
Now, there's a lot of confusion regarding home quarantine. So home quarantine means home quarantine. You should be at home. The one who is positive. Now, if I am positive, if one
Hmm.
of the member is positive at home,
Hmm.
ideally need to seal the house. And
Okay.
none of the members who are, suppose there is a family of 4 in India, suppose that family of 4 is not allowed to come out of the house. Suppose one fellow is positive, the whole family is under exposure. Another thing is if I am positive at day number 0, I had infection 3 days prior, 2 days prior. I was with the people who were living with me, so they were also prone for infection. So
Okay.
that's the reason why it is spreading. So the thing is, once you are home quarantine, once a person is there who's positive, that fellow needs to go into room quarantine. That's not home quarantine, it is room quarantine. The other people at home can stay aloof. Yeah, suppose one is positive. So that fellow stays to room in the home, in the single room quarantine. He doesn't move out of the house. 14 days of room quarantine. Other people at home, the wife and the kids. The wife can prepare food and give it. The kids stay aloof and no giving. And second, in case there is a single toilet at home, you need to sanitize that place after he comes out. And in case the bathroom is sanitized, don't use the bathroom for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Let the sanitizer act. Now, suppose that's part one of the story. Part two story, husband, wife, positive. Kids, not positive. So who's going to cook?
Yep.
Look, the female is also a patient. She
Yes.
needs rest. वो ऐसा नहीं कि मैं किचन में नहीं जाता हूँ, वो बीवी चलो अभी तू बीमार है, उसको थोड़ा इन्फेक्शन है, उसको ज्यादा इन्फेक्शन है. वो बीवी बीवी है, पेशेंट ही है, उसको भी रेस्ट चाहिए.
Correct.
So even she requires rest. That has to be looked into. So you need to order food from outside, but
Mhm.
don't order a Swiggy. What you need to do is order homemade food. That's what your neighbors are for.
Right.
Neighbors should be start helping. Suppose in my house there's somebody positive. I would like my neighbors to help. This is the time when everybody requires everybody. So your floor mates can ask. You can just put in a WhatsApp in your group and tell, I want breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Somebody is always ready to help.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
They're always ready to help. And
Yep.
you can have different flavors. कोई गुजराती है,
Absolutely true.
मराठी है, कोई ओरिया है, कोई वेस्टर्नर है, तो आपको बढ़िया बढ़िया ये मिलेगा. Why not take a chance?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
इंटरमिंगल. कोई साउथ इंडियन मिलेगा, कोई वड़ा सांभर मिलेगा, इडली वड़ा मिलेगा, अप्पम मिलेगा.
You're absolutely right, doctor. Absolutely right. Because I think the last session which I had, that lady, she said, Freddie, I tasted all the flavors,
Absolutely.
different states, and it was so nice. And she said a very nice thing that we are scared of asking for food or for help. कि भाई कोई क्या समझेंगे हमारे बारे में. So she said कोई कुछ नहीं. They are on the contrary, they'll be more than happy. क्योंकि अगर मुझे 4 रोटी बनानी है, मैं 4 और बना दूंगा. And he's my friend. I'm feeling happy that I'm able to help my friend during these times. So that's another thing, that don't be scared to ask your people. Like you said, put it in the group that yes, I need food. No big deal. There's nothing wrong in asking. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है.
Absolutely. And so even your female partner requires rest, even
Yes.
even she is a patient. So 14 days,
Yes.
what you can maximally do is chai, coffee is okay, but
Hmm.
not the whole cooking, because you need to provide rest. You need to save energy for the next 14 days, and the initial 7 days, 10 days would be very crucial. Yes.
So now that you're talking about cooking, what should we eat during these times? No, like chicken tandoori हो गया, पनीर टिक्के हो गए, चाट हो गया दिल्ली में.
Yes. So Indian are Indians are foodies.
Yes.
So, yeah. So what you need to do is you need to be sensibly eating first.
Hmm.
During any illness, whatever, it could be malaria, typhoid, jaundice, whatever, you need to eat very light food, because you will be pumped in with a lot of medicines. And this Fabiflu thing, you need to take in 9 tablets in the morning, 9 tablets in the evening, and then 4 and 4. So these are rough tablets. They are going to cause tummy troubles. They are going to cause a little bit of acidity, and you are going to be on an antibiotic. You may be on a steroid. You are going to take in Crocin, which is 650, 3 times a day. So that becomes itself 1800. milligrams. So what happens? You're putting a burden on your tummy. The first dictum of this would be you are going to be on medicated heavily. Second would be since you're on heavy medication, मैं चिकन खाया और मटन बिरयानी खाई और मैंने उल्टी किया, सर आपके गोली के कारण हुआ, गोली के
Yes,
कारण नहीं हुआ,
yes, yes,
वो
yes.
गोली के कारण नहीं हुआ. I am eating 9 tablets of Fabiflu, but I need to eat, Ram say, I need to eat very light. So in India, the best thing all season, any season or any disease would be मूंग दाल की खिचड़ी, idlis, soups, and boiled potatoes.
Okay.
So moong dal khichdi and boiled potatoes, it's easy. It's 100% boiled. You don't have any chance of infection. It's the easiest thing to digest. And with corona causing tummy issues also and gala also, moong dal ki khichdi would be the best. Second, soups. Soups can be easily done. You do get Knorr packets at
Right.
a decent price. You can just heat them, use it. You can have kada. You can have a moong dal khichdi, idli and soups. Idlis are the best. Rice form. You can have rava. Yeah. So these are lighter versions which are easy to digest because you need to eat food. Because what happens? You eat something clumsy and you vomit. At least medicine should go in. And with the problem of space around in hospitals, you vomit, you go to a hospital, they're not going to admit you for vomiting because we don't have space for people who are really requiring oxygen. So छोटे मोटे चीजों के लिए जगह नहीं है. So you
Right.
should be sensibly eating. And second dictum would be hydration. Hydration would be the key because
Okay.
Fabiflu is a concentrated uh, drug. You need to have lots of water, at least 2 liters of water. Out of 2 liters of water, depending on whether you are a diabetic or a non-diabetic, the best thing would be ORS and electrolyte powder. You don't like
Okay.
the taste, you can use Tang, Rasna, Glucon-D. So these are things which you need to pump it up, just like saline. मैं saline पी रहा हूँ, saline लगाने के बदले saline पी लो. Second is 1 liter of pure water. And with the summer around, you need to hydrate yourself. Otherwise, ushnata, heat is there because of medicines which come up. And secondly, what you need to do is basically eat light, have lots of water to drink. And people do ask, ki, what type of juices can I have or what type of fruits can I have? Now, these are some questions you need to use and you need to use your head on your shoulders. It shouldn't
Yes.
allow you to drop down. Look, अभी कोई पूछता है नारियल पानी पीऊं, नींबू पानी पीऊं, ऑरेंज जूस पीऊं, ये सब खट्टे चीजें हैं.
Okay.
गला बैठ सकता है और अभी ठंड है, गर्मी है, बट पुणे में बारिश हो रही है. सो द अटैक ऑफ ठंडा, कोल्ड, एसी, एवरीथिंग, आप नींबू पानी मत पियो. Use ORS, electrolyte powder. Nariyal
Okay.
pani is a little colder and corona is hitting your chest. People are bound to cough. So you don't need to take nariyal pani to cool your body inside. There is ORS, electrolyte, rasna, tang. These coconut water, lemon water, orange juices would be a little dicey during this time. Of course, you need vitamin C, but vitamin C वो नींबू आप खाने में थोड़ा just squeeze it and take. The best remedy for vitamin C would be old age avla, avla supari, avla
Yes.
candy.
Yes. Yes.
These are the best versions. These are available free of charge. बचपन में खाया है, मुरब्बे खाए हैं, खा लो.
Yes.
अब
और मजे से खा लो.
बचपन में आई थिंक इवन मिस्टर फेरी बोर खाए थे, चलते
हाँ जी.
चलते स्कूल में. हाँ,
Yes.
तो वो बोर तो अभी तो मिलते ही नहीं है, दिखते ही नहीं है.
Correct.
तो बोर, आंवला सुपारी, आंवला कैंडीज, these are ready-made stuff which
True.
has
True.
been with us since a long time. These are vitamin C. These are natural form of vitamin C. So अगर नहीं मिला विटामिन सी, सर विटामिन सी मार्केट में खत्म हो गया, ये आंवला कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाला.
Correct. Correct.
Yes.
So
Have
that's
मुरब्बा.
true.
This is the right time to enjoy मुरब्बा. बहुत दिन हो गए सालों खा के.
Right. I agree with you. So I think people need to have the natural things like, water, as you said, is the main in its natural form. And then you can have the Avla Golis, which we used to have in school and enjoy at that time. It's time to again enjoy with a purpose,
Yes.
and be away from things like lime juice. Instead of putting it in water, put it in your food, have it in a different form, because this is something what you need to take care of, and don't attack it again. Also, another thing you said rightly is nothing cold, like coconut water, because it's better, I think, if you have green tea or something like that than to have something which is like a chilled glass of water or something cold. Stick to something which is warm or less on the cold front. That's good to hear. So moving on to that, so there's another thing is uh, you've come out of the COVID part, and now people say, okay, now I'm COVID free. I'm become Tarzan. Now nothing will happen to me. I am absolutely fine. That's one. So that's one part of it, that which I see a lot of them. I have just one question before that. That we are talking about quarantine. People are inside for 14 days, 15 days, or 10 days, depending on the government's number of days. So they said, what do we do inside? What do you think that they should do during this time? Because they say, "Arey yaar, andar the bore ho rahe hum log." Many say that I have watched Netflix all throughout the day. What's your take on that?
Look, now if you take the home quarantine period, you should take it as a positive step. Aapne now last 1.5 years, everybody is slogging. People from the IT sector have been working 14 hours, 15 hours. Sir, time नहीं है. घर पे बैठ के time नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं बोलना है. So now, in case you get positive, corona positive or COVID positive, take it as a positive thing कि भगवान ने तुमको रेस्ट के लिए दिया है.
Absolutely.
So take that time, take those 14 days. Government has given you a doctor's certificate to have 14 days of chutti, medical chutti, and it's officially allowed. And from the government's perspective, it's 2 weeks of quarantine and 1 week of chutti. So 3 weeks is official chutti. So in these 14 days of quarantine, there are a lot of things you can do to really catch up in life. You can make a Zoom meeting, catch up with your old friends. You can catch up with a Zoom meeting and catch up with your relatives whom you haven't met. What we did is at quarantine was we caught up with people within the whole society. I didn't know my neighbor.
Oh, yes. True.
Yes,
very true.
because you've been working 8 to 8, you're locked down, don't go outside, you're not meeting friends. So you got to make time. You need to meet out on friends, chat with your wife. It could be meeting social distance at 2 feet, read a book, eat good. If you like to cook, try to cook something new. Enjoy what you do. Try to develop a new hobby. In case you had a small list of things which you wanted to do, relax, sleep. When we were working, मुझे नींद नहीं आती, साफ करके आते थे. अभी नींद है, time है, just try to sleep it off. Initial 3 days, 4 days, the weakness is going to come. So you need to relax. You've got another 12 days, 13 days to really do. Make a list of things you want to do. Just take a piece of paper, try to note down on things. Clean your cupboard.
Oh, yeah, most important, very important.
Yeah, you clear 90% of the junk. वो कौन से और क्या old memories मिले, old पुराने girlfriend के letter मिले. So
and you're alone at the time.
Somebody else catches it.
Absolutely, and you're alone in the room at the time. You're safe. What more can you ask for?
Absolutely. Clean up your book rack things, and
Yes.
then watch a movie. पुराने old movies are there. Then 007 के movies हैं which you wanted to watch. There are web series which you needed to watch. अभी पूरा वेब सीरीज पूरा एक दिन में ही पूरा मत खत्म करो. वो वेब सीरीज. So you
True.
need to reinvent things. Try to chat with people you wanted to miss out. You can chat with teachers. And 14 days, suppose you're in quarantine, you can be helpful to the public also. uh, you are a patient, you know what you have done, you can type a small letter of day one, just write down on a piece of paper what you did. It can become a small storybook which you can tell your grandchildren, because this is once in 100 years, so you cannot forget
Absolutely.
it. So this
Absolutely.
is
Absolutely.
a lifetime experience. So four, five people, or five people from your society, or people working in a group, or people working in a small company, they can compile a few things. What my experience of COVID was, you can write it down. There are a lot many books which can come up. Each individual has a different experience. What you did during your lockdown. पहले छोटे बचपन में हमको देते थे what you did during your Christmas vacation.
Absolutely.
So दिवाली की छुट्टी में क्या किया. अभी दिवाली की छुट्टी में मैं अमेरिका गया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया गया, यही लिखते हैं. बट घर पे बैठ के क्या किया, that also
Absolutely.
would be key. Keeping yourself, giving time for yourself would be the key, because we had lost all this. So Corona has taught us it the hard way. Wash your hands properly, wash your clothes properly, eat on time, sleep on time, eat hot, and of course, give yourself, your people own time. Because at this time of the hour, you are the only person and your family of four which is going to help you. There will be a handful
Absolutely.
of people who will help you, but yes, you need to come out with inventive things. You can do something, catch on hobbies. That's what you need to do, and take it as a leisure time. The more you're relaxed, the better it is, and the more
Absolutely. Absolutely.
easy it is to get out of it.
True. 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 So, absolutely rightly said, doctor. So, like I was just saying that, people become, they say that, I'm crossed out of COVID. I've got my vaccination done. Now nothing. So, there's another myth here. Now that I'm vaccinated, I've got COVID-19 once. Nothing can be, there's no problem. Nothing can attack me. I'm God.
So look, there's another thing. Look, सर्दी बार बार हो सकती है.
Yes.
से ही कोरोना भी बार बार हो सकता है. Now it's a new thing for us. It's thing for the scientific world also, and people do ask us कि सर मेरी इम्यूनिटी कब तक रहेगी.
Hmm.
तो अभी जैसा है, the things are, we seeing the antibodies coming up for 3 months, 6 months. So we don't know what happens after that, because we
Yes.
don't keep taking the antibodies.
True.
Another thing is सर्दी किसी को भी हो सकता है, but एक बार आपको कोरोना हो गया, there are so many variant things which are going on. The viruses keep on mutating, so
Yes.
you can always have a chance of infection again. But since you have an antibody with you, the infection next time around would be a little slow, or it could be worse.
Uh-huh.
So you got to be very careful regarding this. And suppose you have the vaccines also, you've taken your vaccine shots, you're not Superman. Superman ऊपर से चड्डी पहनता है, but you have to wear the mask on your face all the time.
I like that.
Yeah.
True.
So
True.
vaccine lagaya, it means indirectly. Suppose you didn't get a vaccine. Suppose I had corona infection. On a scale from 1 to 10, no vaccine, scale of 10, I have the infection. I take the vaccine, both the vaccines. Take one shot, I'm not Superman. Take two shots, the vaccination starts 3 weeks after your second vaccination. So it takes you 2 months for the vaccine to act, because you
Okay.
start developing antibodies after the third week of the second shot. So it's going to take you nearly 2 months, 3 months. With the vaccination schedule longer now, you're going to take it a longer period. So for those things, you need to wear your mask all the time. You need to use sanitation protocols. Your social distancing needs to continue. But the vaccine would be very important because it's going to get your viral infectivity and severity down a little. The score will come down. You are bound to get infected. It's just like the bachpan mein you took your MMR vaccine,
Yes.
you took your BCG vaccine, you took your hepatitis vaccine. You can get hepatitis. Those
Yes.
vaccines are 90% effective. The vaccines presently, it's been a very short duration. In 6 months, 9 months, they've come out with vaccines. These we also don't know, and they are the way things are. They are around 75 to 81% protective. So you always have a 20% chance of getting infected. So you always need to use your three different things: your mask, your sanitizers, and social distancing, along with the vaccine.
Right. 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 Doctor, there's another very during these times. Of course, there have been a lot of newborn babies, new with the number of deaths which have increased in numbers. The number of new arrivals also has increased, which is the positive part also. So one question which is mostly asked is, can an infected mother or an infected mother, can she not breastfeed during this time? What if she's COVID positive?
So look, now thing is, the pregnant patients who are positive and the mothers who are positive, who have delivered recently and are
Hmm.
going to breastfeed, they can breastfeed their babies. That's not a problem, absolutely. But the only thing is the baby is too close to your chest. So the chance of infection for the kid is very high. So
Hmm.
ideally, the mother should be wearing a N95. वो कपड़ा
Hmm.
विपड़ा से नहीं चलेगा, because
No
there is
dupattas.
no. Yes. So N95 should be a very thing. It should be snugly fitting, and I think uh, mothers should be wearing the mask 24 hours, like the doctors are on duty. You need to wear it 24 hours because the baby is the um,
Okay.
best thing we can protect, and we don't know what to give babies. Actually, we
Right.
don't know still how to treat pediatrics
True.
population.
True. True.
So
True.
you need to be taking utmost care, washing your hands properly, using the mask would be the key for this.
Very true. Absolutely. So you say that yes, a mother can breastfeed. However, she needs to take adequate precaution. Of
Precautions.
course, wearing the mask at all times. So now coming to the same question, if we are a family of three in the house right now in real time basis, wherein all are negative, C negative in the house, do they need to wear a mask? Because that's what one uh, person who joined our session, Dilip, he asked this question. Do we need to wear a mask inside the house, although we are all negative?
Now there are two different aspects: level one and level two. Level one, there are four people in the house. Uh, all are at home, work from home scenario, where
Yes.
all of you are within the house, but all of you within the house, no people coming from outside, no exposure. Yes, you can take precautions. But with the WHO rule and the Supreme Court ruling that it is community borne, it's airborne, you need to wear a mask. The reason is, suppose you've got a 7th floor building your neighbors are infected and it's there in the air, and my flat is just close to it. So you
Hmm.
would have got exposed. There are servants who come in, who go to multiple places. They are the
Yes,
ones who get the infection.
the
So,
carriers.
yes. So you need to wear a mask. Suppose scene one is work from home scenario. Yes, you need to wear a mask all the time because some point of the time you will be going out to throw garbage. You will be going out to collect vegetables, or some parcel comes in. You need to go out. You don't know who is infected. Second scenario would be a male member going outside, three others at home. But the one who goes out and comes needs to take all the precautions. And the one who is coming from outside, he's the one who should be wearing a mask all throughout 24 hours. Because if
Okay.
you are the one asymptomatic, you may be giving infection to the household people.
Hmm.
And with kids around, senior citizens around at home, you need to be careful. If the scene two is there, where a fellow is going out and coming inside, be make sure that you go outside, come home, use the same room all the time. So it's something like a home quarantine, a home isolation, and you're not getting in contact with much of your counterparts, but wear a mask all the time.
Okay. Agreed. Agreed. Uh, Now, when every person has this word, of quarantine in the mouth, and people are waiting for this lockdown to get over. And the day that government says lockdown is over, people want to travel. People want to go to hill stations. I'm one of them. And it's like, yes, we are in this four walls and we have just gone crazy. And you want to just relieve your stress. So, what do you want to say? Because there are the stress level of people in today's world. It's at a level 10, like you said. Immunity and the level of you catching COVID is at level 10 if you're not vaccinated. So I'm totally stressed out. I'm waiting for lockdown to get over. So what would you like to say on that?
Look, पुराने जमाने में I think we used to go once a year दिवाली के टाइम गांव जाते थे.
Correct.
बाकी टाइम घर पे ही रहते थे. अभी
LTA लेके.
every weekend you're going outside to eat. Now with the COVID around, you're really desperate to go out. What I will suggest, other thing is, you got four walls. Yeah. What you
Yeah.
need to do is Amazon से wallpapers मंगाओ. एक गोवा का बीच का, एक राजस्थान वाला, and just enjoy that one. Just और उस पे सेल्फी ले लो. So thing is, going outside now with India being so, Pune is almost saturated now, but what's happening is trickling into the rural areas.
Yes.
So now, so the infectivity is all over the place. So even though you are infected, so if I was COVID positive and I want to travel, okay, that's fine. But you have a chance of a different Amaravati strain, South Korea strain, England strain. So there's always a chance you can get infected. And secondly, suppose you go from here to Gujarat, here to Rajasthan, these places are more infected at present. They have more number of patients than in Pune. So the traveling point for leisure would be a secondary thing as of right now, because it's infected all over the place. You have more chance of infection. And suppose you XYZ, the favorite destination for us is Goa. You don't know how clean they were.
Yes.
Have they changed the have they sanitized that? Who stayed in those places for the last 1 year? You really don't
True.
know who cleaned it up. Have they cleaned the cobwebs? Have they done anything? Who visited, etc., etc. So there are a lot of things which are there, which you need to be. These type of sanitization measures which you do at home cannot be done outside. You may be doing it, but we don't know the third man who's doing it. Is
Right.
it equally effective, or how sincere he is it?
So very simple. Sit at home quietly. बाहर
Yes,
निकलने का नहीं.
yes. Enjoy your moment. Enjoy with your family. Enjoy with your kids. Be a kid. Try to. I was playing Ludo that day. I was playing Snakes and Ladders that day with my kid. So these are things we need to reinvent. Then there is chess.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
वो अपना मोनोपोली था बचपन में.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Yes. So those type
I
of
I was
things.
playing Ludo with my wife. I'm sitting and my wife is sitting there, and we were playing on that on our smartphone.
Yes.
So it was nice.
Absolutely. And you can घर पे ही थोड़ा जिम शिम कर सकते हो, थोड़ा रामदेव से बाबा थोड़ा सीख सकते हो, थोड़ा अनुलोम विलोम कर लो, प्राणायाम कर लो.
Correct.
एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज भी हो जाएंगे. So these things mentally, you also need to be doing a few exercises which make you mentally strong.
Great.
There are a
Great.
lot of things which we can reinvent at home. Try to catch a hobby. It's not necessarily merely going out, spending money, going out. Save money for the next time.
Absolutely.
23.
Yes. Yes. So great. 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 Doc. So I think I was just checking the time, and like we've been like on call for nearly 1 hour, and the time has passed so fast. So I think just before we close down, so doctor, so any closing statements, any guidance you want to give all our viewers who have joined in today, and also who will be watching the video later on?
So the first thing would be mask yourself up. Second is sanitizing yourself. It could be simple soap, water, alcohol swabs, whatever. And third, maintaining social distance, at least 2 feet distance, even at home. Secondly, home quarantine means room quarantine. You should be using it sincerely. 14 days, 14 days, and then come out of your house. It shouldn't be a shortcut. In 2 days, sir, home quarantine मतलब मैं टेस्ट से पॉजिटिव कि सिम्टम से पॉजिटिव. अभी टेस्ट से पॉजिटिव यार. पॉजिटिव
Correct.
रिपोर्ट है, टेस्ट से पॉजिटिव. So you need to be doing that. You need to do a few exercises at home like breathing, yoga, eat good, sleep good. Look, Corona has taught you the hard way. It's
Yes.
basically just going down to basics. Washing your hands, keeping your slippers out, washing your clothes daily by yourself, eating good, sleeping good, and eating hot. So that's what
Right.
Corona taught you. And of course,
Absolutely.
you need to help each other in this pandemic. It's once in a lifetime. Once in a lifetime, you can help somebody, and somebody or the other is always needy. This is the real time to show our oneness. This is what India is. We have shown it in the past. We've got a strong culture with us. Once एकजुट हो गए तो कोई हमको नहीं रोक सकता.
Absolutely.
No world can stop. No world can stop us. We are the vaccination hub. All people are taking vaccinations from us. They're learning
Yes.
from us.
Yes.
And a request from the public would be supporting your doctor staff. Don't be too critical of your doctors. We are already overworked. We are really 1.5, 2 years into Corona now, and we are really overworked. If you don't get your doctor on time, my apologies. The reason is we don't pick up phones. Our apologies. The reason is everybody is so packed up. Everybody is doing something. If you have COVID duty, you can't check your mother's phone also. You can't check your wife's phone also. It's so tight. So you not be critical regarding the patients. You not to be critical regarding your doctors. And of course, this is the right time to really show the world that India is strong and India will come through it.
Great. Great. Thank you. Thank you, doctor. So really rightly said. You need. I very well know that doctors are overburdened, overworked. they sleep less and they work more. And I've seen a lot of videos about nurses. They're wearing the mask. They've got lines over here, and it's like, they wear the entire PP kit, and when they remove it, it's filled with sweat. So it's a hard job. It's not easy. And trust me, you need guts to get inside that COVID ward. You're going into a battlefield, or you're going to a battle wherein you can't see the enemy, you can't hear him, you can't feel him. It's an unseen war. So, rightly said, everybody should understand what the healthcare workers are going against, what are they fighting against. So it's like you said, if a doctor does not pick up the phone, don't think that, acha, doctor ne mera phone nahi uthaya. He's maybe treating another patient at that time. Maybe he's busy. He'll call you back, or you can call back. You need to understand and think rationally this time. And yes, like you rightly said, wearing a mask is most important. Like you said, mask. That's the only precaution that you can take right now. So once again, from my end also, like to tell everybody, please wear a mask. Don't take COVID just for granted. Don't take it lightly, because if God forbid, if you are attacked by it, it's not an easy path to go through. It is life-threatening. As we all know, the numbers are very much open, not only of India, of the world, and the graph is upwards, it's not downwards. So you need to take care of yourself. So on that note, doctor, I would, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much for joining us on the session. It was really nice, educated. Even I got to know a lot of things from your end, especially for the mask. I used to wear it like 3-4 times. No, I'm going to change. Well, you see, that's a myth, so I can wear it. एक ही बार use किया है, क्या हो सकता है, but you said no. It can become soggy inside, something which I did not know. So the next thing I'm going to do after this session is, first thing, cut this up, put it in my disposable bag, and then off it goes tomorrow, out. So, well, great, Doctor Rao. Thank you for being on our show. Appreciate it.
Thank you for giving the opportunity. Thanks.
It's a pleasure, sir. Thank you very much. You have a great day and all the best. Thank you for being there and helping all of us and doing this phenomenal job. Thank you very much. You are actually the true warriors since the last over 2 years. It's a war that you guys, I have no words to express. I get tears in my eyes at times when I see those videos and think like, how do these guys do it? But hats off to you guys. Salute to you, all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Appreciate it, sir. And thank you once again, everybody, for joining in with myself, Reddy, and Dr. Rao from Jupiter. Appreciate you. Once again, we'll be back in another few days on Monday, same time, 6 p.m. Take care. Cheers and have a great day and a great weekend. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Rao, once again. Thank you. Cheers.